Mic on.
Hi, I'm Omni024. This is this is Omni Productions actually. Omni024. I am on here now, starting up. I downloaded RPG Maker MZ. Well, I downloaded the trial version. So I have done that. Oh wow, a little bit low in the. Oh wow, a little bit low. Why are my decibels so low? On. Let's let's raise the decibels for the mic a bit. Oh well, that's as high as it can go. Hey, hey, how you doing? Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, how you doing? Hey, how you doing? Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, how you doing? Okay, I'm going to mute that because it's gonna be extremely freaking distracting. If I don't mute that, then like I have an echo, and if I have an echo, then you won't be able to hear me properly, and I will have a lot of things going on. So I do have a lot of things going on. I'm dealing with a lot of issues right now. My personal life. Um, shit. I don't really want to get into it. I think I need to get up earlier and get that stuff taken care of. So maybe I might do that tomorrow. But whatever. I'm not concerning myself with it right now. Also, I have a friend that's trying to contact me, and I keep blowing him off because I have to do this insurance crap, and I don't really like blowing him off. So called him back up. I let him know what was going on. Sorry about all that bullshit, but that's what's going on. But anyway, we're starting the MZ tutorial. So okay. So warning: during a tutorial, if you execute a command other than the one the tutorial indicates to, you can go to the help stop tutorial to stop the current tutorial and start over. Okay. Okay. We're going to click on a new project. Alright, we're going to change the title name. Alright. Change the title name. Well, no, that's the title name. I'm going to call this tutorial 1. Tutorial game. That's what I call it. Tutorial game. Okay. Okay, change the title name, and then click OK. Okay. So we're copying files, loading up, basically loading up a. Oh, this is a lot different than what it was before. Okay, on the right side of the screen is the map. On the upper left is a tile palette for the map. On the lower left is the map list. Okay, so right side of the screen, this is the map. On the upper left is the tile palette for the map. Okay, this is the tile palette, and on the lower left is the map list. Okay. This is the tile set palette. Select the tile here and it will be drawn onto the map. Now for a more detailed explanation on tile sets. Click the database. Alright, I usually don't use these icons. What I usually do is use the other stuff. I don't really use the icons so much, but I can use it. Alright, here is the tile sets, so here's the tile sets, so click it. Alright, this is actually giving me hints on what these other places are, but we're not doing that right now. So click it. Okay. This is the tile set settings screen. This mode is important. In field, you can specify the field type or area type. Okay, so this is the tile sets. This is the tile set settings screen. This mode is important. In field, you can specify the field type or area type. Right, this is the tile set settings screen. This right here. Oh well, okay. This whole screen is the tile set settings screen. This mode is important. In field, okay, in field, you can specify the field type or area type. I mean, I remember most of this, but okay. Click OK. In map mode, you can draw your map. In event mode, you place events. You can zoom in and out on the map. Give it a try. Okay. Click zoom to magnify the map. Zoom out to shrink the map. Pressing the control key, roll the center wheel of the mouse to magnify or shrink the map. Well, that'll be hard for me because oh well, that's pretty cool. Kind of distorts the image though. Cause that image right there looks really distorted. So, but I don't know. Maybe it has a default setting so they. Anyway, pressing Control key. Okay. Pressing the center wheel of the mouse, move the mouse to scroll the map when the entire map is not inside the window. the center wheel of the mouse. Move the mouse. Oh. Okay. To scroll the map when the entire map is not inside the window. That makes sense. Because before it didn't do it because you could do it, but let's see if you did it that way. So if you press this, now you can look around and go, that's handy, I guess. Maybe. Alright. Now click the actual size to reset the map size. Okay, there we go. Did that. Next. Now we're done. Now you're done with map zooming. Next is an explanation of the map tree on the lower left. Right click to change the map name. Click Edit. Change the name to Field Map. Alright, so we're going to change this to Field Map. Okay. And then click OK. Next we will place tiles on the map from the tile play. That's good. Alright, click the map. Alright, so that's why that is, because like we were in event mode before. So we didn't have any, we couldn't put like the tile play on there. Okay. Click tile set B. Scroll down and click the town in square 1. The town? Oh, this one? Click to put a town. Scroll up and click the tile cave. Key tile. Oh, that one. Click to put a cave. Okay, there we go. Next, we will create town and cave maps. This time, we'll use a simple map. Alright. Right-click to load the town map. Right. Click load sample map. Click normal town. Click OK. Right click to load a key map. Load sample map. Click stone cave. So they give you like they give you some stuff. That doesn't look like a stone cave, it looks like a forest. Click OK. Next, we'll link each map to the field using events so they can be entered and exited freely. Click Map and edit to edit the field map. Click Event. Right-click the town. Select Quick Event Creation Transfer. Okay, Quick Event and then Transfer. Click Location. Click Normal Town. Click on the entrance of the town map. Click OK. Click OK. Click normal town from the tree map. Right click the entrance. Right click the entrance on the top. Nah, I don't think that was the place you wanted to go. I think you wanted to go here. Quick event transfer. Select quick event transfer. Where is that again? Quick event transfer. Yeah, I forgot. Oh. Quick event transfer. Okay, yeah. Okay. Sorry. Normal town. Click location. Field map. Click the town. Click OK. Click OK. Right click the created event. Click copy. Oh, okay, hold on. Copy. Right click a exit tile and town to fill the exits. Click paste. Click the remaining exit tile on the map. Click paste. Ah, they can put, you can put 2 layers on there now. That's actually pretty cool. Cause like before, like if you went in and out, like so like you had like 2 events that went like so like say you went in to a place, then you would have to again like use like a switch or something to make sure that they could go out. So that's actually kind of handy. Basically, what I mean is that there's like, okay, you enter a town, for instance, you have an event that says, well, you enter the town, so you would be on that place, or you would actually enter that place, but like if you wanted to exit the town, you'd have to have a different event. But you could exit that way, but you could have like loops or some shit like that, where basically like basically things would be messed up. So you would like basically it would basically send you out in the field and then send you back into the town and stuff like that. It could happen if you didn't have like triggers and stuff. Basically there's like triggers and stuff, but we're getting way far ahead of ourselves. But anyway, so we'll click the field map. I click the cave. Quick event transfer. Okay. Stone cave. Click the entrance to the map. Click OK. Click OK. Stone cave. Right click at the entrance of the cave below. Click event transfer. Click location. Click field map. Click cave. Click OK. Click OK. We're done placing our transfer events. Now we will determine the player's initial position. Choose normal town. Right click the road. Select start position, new player. Start position player. Click save product. That's it. Click playtest. Where? It's not telling me to click the playtest outside of the box. Outside of the frickin' application. That's a character generator. That's resource manager. That's event server. I know where the playtest button is, but that's positioned outside the application area, Archaea, or whoever made that. You might wanna. Right, so I can actually do playtests this way, but I wonder if there's a better. Is there actually a button? That's it. Click playtest. Unless of course there's icons over there. Are there other places that you can... Okay, open, save, cut, copy, undo, map, event, zoom in, zoom out. And resource manager, character generator. Alright. Well, they didn't really tell me where the resource manager was or where the playtest was, so I'm just gonna go on here and play playtest. Okay, we have our characters. They're wandering around doing shit. Okay, we have Reed the swordsman, Michelle the martial artist, Casey the sorcerer, and Elliot the priest. And this is I wonder if you can... Okay, there you go. That's a lot better. Wouldn't you agree? That looks a lot better. Boy, we have a lot of things going on, but you know, the thing that we don't have is don't have any monsters, and this whole maps stuff was preset, so we didn't really learn anything about actually map creating, did we? It was more along the lines of using preset maps and everything, which is fine, mind you. I don't mind it. But I mean, we didn't really actually learn how to actually make maps. Actually make maps from there. So maybe there's other tutorials that allow you to do that. But anyway, game end. 2 title. Game end. Cancel. 2 title. Okay. They need like an option where like you can actually exit out of exit out of the demo, or the tutorial has been completed. Great. Okay. So they needed like an option to let you like be like outside of the to be outside of yeah, here it is. Well, damn. Okay, there we go. That's a lot better. Now I can add playtests. That's what I had to do. I had to open up the window a bit further. Maybe I wind up the window a bit more this way too. It might be a bit more helpful. And also I can like expand it so that I'm actually working like on it without. Okay, so that's a lot. That might be a lot easier. Like do that. Okay, let's see. So let's go to game. We're gonna go to tutorial again. Okay, map basics. Well, we did map basics, so we did map basics. So we're gonna go to event basics dialogue. Okay, so start tutorial. Okay, warning. During a tutorial, if you execute a command other than the one tutorial indicates, you can go to the help stop tutorial to stop the current tutorial and start over. Do you have the project we finished in step 1? Yes. Okay, loading the step 1 project. Open. Product loaded. Next. Now we will start the tutorial. Characters and conversation. Character and conversation development is done using events. This time, we'll create a character event. Click Normal Town. That's where we are. First, let's determine where the character will be placed. The coordinates are shown in the text bar on the bottom of the screen. The coordinates are shown in the taskbar at the bottom of the screen. I guess this is the taskbar. Normal 10, 75%. That's where it is. It's like 35 by 40. But where are we at? Oh, yeah, okay. We'll be placing a crossroad near the town entrance. 17 by 16. That's where I was. Let's zoom in too. I'll just do it this way. Be a lot easier. $17 by 16. Replacing a crossroad near the town entrance. Oh, let's zoom in better. And we can do it this way. That might be easier for me anyway, since I'm handicapped. Okay. So we're at 716. Next. Double click on that position. Event editor will be launched. Okay, there it is. First, let's choose her appearance. Double click the image. This time we'll pick an adult woman as an example. Click actor 1. Click on the rightmost woman at the top. Once you select her, press OK to confirm. Notice that the priority has changed from below characters to same as characters. If the priority is set to below, then it will display under the player. If it's the same, they won't overlap. Next, let's name the event Villager 1. That stuff is like when the priority is same as players. So that doesn't actually give you a description of what that actually does. So what do I remember right? What do I remember about that? So if it's like, I don't think it really like I don't really think it like it depend. Let's see. How can I explain priority to you? Priority isn't like the priority or the or of the. It isn't where it's where it is, not like not like like priority wise, like not the same as like being like one time or like or a late or something like that, you know, where like this is a high priority. That is the best thing to say. So like, well, I'm not going to go into it, but not going to go into it. It might actually tell you what it's supposed to do. But if you have like an event that has, like, say it's below as characters or something like that, it doesn't actually trigger. Like, it won't actually trigger until like or maybe it will. I don't know. But for instance, like if you have like if it's the same as characters, they can't like go through it or something. I don't know. It's just weird. I haven't actually played, like, I haven't done RPG Maker in like a while, so I can't really tell you that what it does yet. But they didn't really go into it too deeply. But anyway, so I'm going to call this Villager 1. Great, this Villager 1. Next. Event names are not required, but they are useful when making references with other events. In this tutorial, we will give examples using real examples using names later. Yeah, that's probably better if you do like name that person somebody. Alright. Check that the trigger is set to action button, which it is. This is the condition required to activate the event. If set to action button, it will activate when the button is pressed. If it's player touch, it will activate when touched. Yeah, so like that's, for instance, if you like walk out of the zone, that's a player touch. Whereas you actually have to press a button to actually activate it. So okay, now let's set the contents. Double click the first line in contents. Make sure you're on the page 1 tab, which we are. Click show text. Alright, input villager as name. Villager. Okay. Type hello world. Hello, my sweet darlings. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna type hello world. I'm gonna type that. Hello, my sweet darlings. Now you can check how the text you input will be shown in preview. Hello, my sweet darlings. Close after previewing. Yeah, there are control characters you can use to change the font size and the color of the text. Let's change villager to another color. Change the name to C2 villager. Okay. Well, that actually helps if you Alright, so C2 villager. Okay. So, basically what that is, what this code is it's, basically like HTML, or like it's basically programming code. Okay, so I did that wrong. If I did that wrong, then, it would not work. Come on. Okay. Alright. We want to actually make it like this. So it's basically it's telling you that the color code is 2. I don't know why. Okay. That's helpful. I'm not really sure what that is, how I brought that up before. But anyway, yeah, we have it where we have it. Alright, and replace hello world with hello N1 world. Okay, so that's where we did. So basically, so basically you have like all these like different colors that you can use. You can put that in there, but it has to have like a draw the subsequent text color in the nth color. Display remaining text on same line all at once. And so you have like a lot of things you can do for the text, such as waiting for a few seconds before they say something else, or increasing the text size to so you can put FSN. You could change the text size to a certain amount or something like that. But anyway, we're gonna do this. Hello with hello and N1. Sure that all. Okay, hello. I'll put this here. That'd be better. N. Okay. Ensure that all the control characters are a 1-byte character. So, hello world with hello N. Preview your text. N1 will be. Oh well, sheesh. No wonder that that messed up. Hello, my will be replaced by the main character's name. This line shows the effect of normal characters. Close the preview panel once you've done checking. There are other control characters you can use. I don't like that. So what we'll do is we'll preview that now. Again, hello my sweet breed. Hello my darling Reed. Okay, so that's even better. Hello my darling Reed. So he's already a player, I guess. Okay, we're done with the text display. Click OK to set the text. Next, we'll show choices. Double click the next empty line after the text. First, we'll show text once more to write a question. Input the something like please get rid of the beats in the neighboring cave will do. Hey. Can you do us all a favor and kill all of those Hey, can you do us all a favor and kill all those nasty monsters? Yeah. Those nasty monsters inside the knee. Then inside the nearby cave they're giving me they're giving me They're giving me zets! Zets! They're giving me zets! I know, it's stupid. What? Put the question. Please get rid of the namer and K will do. Alright, when you're done entering the text, click OK to for. Hey, can you do us all a favor and kill all those nasty monsters inside the nearby? They're giving me zits! Okay. Double click the lowest line in the contents. Alright, show choices. You can choose up to 6 choices, but this time we'll make them just yes and no. There are other options, but we're fine as for now. Click OK will be set. So what you can basically like change that text so it says, yes, I'll do it. I'll do it. I'm busy. I'm busy. I'm busy. Okay. Now fields labeled one yes and one no have appeared. You can describe the event for each case written in those fields. Now for an explanation about balloon icons. These are musical notes, hearts, and other symbols to display above the event. This time we'll use them in place of dialogue. Double-click the line under one yes. Go to page 2 event commands. Show the balloon icon. For this event, choose the event for the character and the heart. So we'll do the character. This event, okay. And heart for the balloon icon. And then click next. Please check off wait for completion. Yeah. Double click the line when no. I think we're okay, you can add dialogue after a balloon icon, but you know, okay. But even if you don't, the sentiment will be clear. Click OK to send the event. Alright, so this event in hold on, I've got why you ungrateful little why you ungrateful little turd muffin. Why you ungrateful little turd muffin? All right, now we're ready. Now we're ready for step 2. Save the product. Play test to make sure everything is running as expected. Tutorial has been completed. And we have to change the buttons here because hello, my darling Reed. Hey, can you do us all a favor and kill all those nasty monsters inside the nearby cave? They're giving me zits. I'm busy. Why, you're a grateful little turtle. Oh my god. So why does she look like exactly the same? They're giving me zits. Well, why do you put that? Yeah, I don't think that was right either. Okay, I don't think that was right either, cause like it gave me the code, but didn't like it just you didn't have to put that 0 at the end of it, which was odd. Do that tutorial again. I'm gonna do that tutorial again and see what that actually said. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's choose double click the image. Okay, okay. Priority has changed below characters. Okay. That probably gets explained better. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now let's set the contents. Double click the first line contents. Let's show text. Okay. Enter close. Yeah, we did something wrong. N1 will be replaced by the main character's name. This line shows the effect of, maybe I did. Okay. That was Replaced by the
Charge complete.
hacker. Yeah, I think I did something there wrong, and oh, that needs to be deleted. You can choose this event for the character and Cobweb for the balloon icon. Yeah, no. that's better. Why, you a great old little turtle, bud. Here, I'll do this again. It's good practice. Alright, so use N1, I guess. N1. Okay, that should work. I appreciate it, Reed. Okay. I appreciate it, Reed. Okay. I appreciate it, Reed. That's it. So, what that actually does is, so that tag doesn't really tell you. It's just telling you how to do it, but it's not really telling you what it's doing. But basically, what it's saying is that it's saying, for instance, the N1 means it's going into your actors list, basically what their names are, and it's getting them that way. Alright, we're going to save this project. And we're going to click that, but see if we go in the database, I'll tell you what. So, like, that's what it's doing. Like, so it's basically going to here and seeing the name of this guy, and that's what it's doing. So if I change his name, it would be a different, text. So that's basically what it's basically telling you. So, and they have other things. They have a lot of things like. Now, like, okay, I get that they have like. So I get like the new the new stuff has like a lot of like preset things that you can do and things. But if you don't really want that stuff, it's kind of you kind of have to like. If you really want to build everything from scratch, you have to kind of like you have to kind of reset all, which I mean. Alright, so let's see. So yeah, let's go over here. Okay, I appreciate it, Reed. See? Alright. Hello, my darling Reed. Can you do us all a favor and kill all those nasty monsters inside that are giving me nuts? I'm busy. Why, you're a grateful little turd woman. I appreciate it, Reed. Why, you a grateful little turd woman. Oh man, yeah. So, but yeah, you can put like a lot of different things. You can do a lot of things. Let's go to title. We still can't get out of here by normal means. That's kind of lame. Like, you can't actually exit the frickin' like demo without. They don't have a command that actually lets you exit the frickin' demo. That would be pretty frickin' easy to put in there, wouldn't it? But you know, whatever. So what is it? 6:12. Do I have enough time for another? Do I have time for another tutorial? Let's see. I probably have to load it up. So, alright, event transfer. Let's start tutorial. During a tutorial, if you execute a command other than, you can go to help stop tutorial to stop the current tutorial and start over. Okay, do you have the promise? Do yes. Loading the step 2 product. Great, we'll load it up. Product loaded. Wait, did I actually load it up? that's a tutorial game. Okay, yeah. Okay. Now we will start the tutorial. Select normal town on the map tree. In this step, we will learn how to move NPC events. There are two ways to move an event. You can set autonomous movement or use the event command to set movement route. We'll deal with the former this time. Let's set autonomous movement for the character we created in step 2. To do this, we must find I'm sorry, good God. That back in there. Okay. Let's set autonomous movement. To do this, we must first find that where the character is placed. Click the event searcher where you can select for various events. The character we want to look for is called Villager 1. Click the event name. Next, enter Villager 1. Villager 1. Next, search normal town. As you can see, the benefit of naming your events is that you can easily search for them. Click close. So doing like things like naming them Villager 1, 2, and 3 and shit like that probably wouldn't help your cause. I mean, if you like you were searching for a specific event and like well, you didn't really remember who was Villager 1, who was Villager 2, and who was Villager 3. It wouldn't really work that way. So you should probably do that. Hey, how's it going? How's your game making going? My game making is fine. I'm sorry if I didn't actually talk to you guys. Actually, I'm sorry. I didn't look at the chat, so I'm sorry if I didn't see you, Maximum Sharpie. But hey, how you doing, guy? Yeah, it's going fine. I remember most of the stuff from earlier, so I do apologize for not seeing your text there, or seeing you in there. I was busy with all this stuff, so yeah, it's very hard for me to actually see what that text. I do try to keep my chat open so I can see it, but sometimes I just don't see things. So yeah. But anyway, so we're going to double click on Villager and open the event. Alright, here we'll see the autonomous movement. You can specify frequency and speed, but we'll leave those as they are for now. Alright, yeah, sure. Okay, yeah, okay, so that's the autonomous movement. So goes around. Basically, if it's fixed, it won't move around or anything, but you can actually choose a route for it, like say going up or down or whatever. So select random from type. So I'll do random. And now the settings are complete. Press OK and it will be set. I get to focus on something and I always miss chat. Yeah, same thing with me, dude. Like I'll always be like focused on like the game or whatever else, and I won't see it. But see, I have a cell phone, so I have it like I don't really have like a dual box set up, so I don't really like I don't have like a dual screen set up. So I have this, and then I have my cell phone, which actually allows me to see the chat. And that's how I do it. So, alright, so we're going to playtest here. So we're going to save the product. Yay. And we're going to start a playtest. And here we go again. And I'm going to full screen it and hit no game. And here we are again. And we don't have we need to instigate a directional buttons on. Alright, so now the character moves around. And I'll say, hello, my darling Reed. Hey, can you do us all a favor and kill all those nasty monsters inside the nearby cave? They're giving me zits. Of course. I'll do it. I appreciate it, Reed. Of course, you can also say, hello, my darling Reed. Can you do us all a favor and kill those nasty monsters? They're giving me zits. Say, I'm busy. Why, you a grateful little turd woman. I'm sorry. Anyway, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I don't have like a dual monitor, nor if even if I could get one, I couldn't think of it fit on this desk right here. I have a very small desk or place, so I can't. I don't think it would fit or anything. Anyway, okay, so I guess we're gonna exit the game because. Alright, when the playtest is over, let's move on. Yeah, well, that's what I did. I don't get why you can't just exit the freaking game. If there's a way to do it, then I don't know. Next we'll create a character that moves around in the same place. As an example, we'll create someone who moves around the town center. Next, click slightly below the town center at coordinate 1721. Luckily, that's not where my character is actually standing. Like, right there. But okay. Double click and open an event. Okay. We'll do various basic settings for the event. Double click image. Actor 2. Click the bottom right, facing in the bottom right, that one. Now, why don't they just use people instead of frickin' actors? Because that makes no sense. But okay, whatever. Town Center Villager. Okay. Well, name her that, I guess. Town Center Villager. I don't think she's a Town Center Villager or anything. She's probably more like a Town Center, adventurer, but you know, whatever. Double click, first click line contents, show text, something of it. Yeah, I'm gonna put that. Hey, I'm patrolling the town center. Stay out of my way. Stay out of my way. Okay. Alright. Let's configure the autonomous movement settings for this event. Okay. First change the movement speed and frequency. Set the speed to normal. Set the frequency to highest. Now we'll walk around the statue. Select the type to custom. Route. Okay. So this is what happens. So you can actually like make a move like from one place to another. So if you click on movement coming in on the right, it will be added to the list on the left. The events entered are added here. Right click what you want to delete or insert the event. Select the commands below in the following order. Move right times 2. Move up times 4. Move left times 4. Left times 4. And move right times 2. Alright, well, we did that. Okay. Alright, ensure the repeat movement option is checked off. Now the character will checked off or checked on. You don't say checked off. What you should say is ensure the repeat movement option is a box is checked. So you don't want to like. So she's actually going to repeat those movements every time but if you turn that off, she's not. If I check that off, she won't repeat that movement. She'd go there. She'd move around the fountain basically, and then not move. So you don't want to do that. So you want to actually keep that button checked. Now the character will repeat her movements. Do not check off skip if cannot move. We don't want her route to change on us. Right. Click on preview. Ah, that's pretty cool. They didn't have that in MB, where you could actually look at the movements. So that's actually pretty good. It's actually really damn good, actually. Say press click close. Alright, there we go. And set OK to the movement route. OK. And pick OK to set the event. Now run a playtest. Save the product. We'll save it and then we'll run it. You should always save the project first before you run it. Because if you don't, you will run into you might run into problems, or like for instance, alright, so she ran into, okay, so she ran into that. What the heck? She did it anyway. That wasn't good. Yeah. I'm patrolling downstairs. Stay out of my way. Alright, so that person or another got in her way and she ended up moving. Alright, so let's actually we can actually fix that, though. Nope. Let's review the run. Double click under the statue. Double click the event under the statue. Double check the movement route settings. Click a route and then select the movement route. I did. If you click a movement route on the left, on the right, it will be added to the list on the left. The events are entered or added here. Right click when you want to delete or insert an event. Right. So we had that right, Move up, move up, move up, move up. Left, 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 left. Damn. Well, I didn't put move down. That's that's the problem. So move down. No, I mean need to move that. Alright, let's delete it. That might be the case. I did not put the move downs. That might be the reason why. Alright. Sure, the repeat movement option is checked off. Now the character will repeat her movements. Returns to the top of the list. Right. Do not check. Click on the preview. Okay, that's where we want. That's what we want to have happen. All right. Click close. Okay. Okay. And that was my bungle right there. All right, test. So she is now moving the way she's supposed to move. And she will move as that person moves around and what have you. She's just gonna keep following that woman because there we go. Hey, I'm patrolling the town center. Stay out of my way! Okay then. Man, these are some bossy ass women, aren't they? The other one's like, can you do us all a favor and kill these nasty monsters? They're giving me zits. They're like, I'm busy. Wow, you're a grateful little turd muffin. I'm sorry. I still think that's freaking pretty funny. Anyway. I may be being a little bit more... I think I might be being a little bit more... being a bit too proud of myself for things there, but whatever. So, is the vent working during the playtest? Yes. Well done. This is the end of step 3. Tutorial has been completed. Why, thank you. I am so grateful. And I shall save this immediately. Alright, because apparently if you save it and it's working properly, then then you can move on to tutorial 4, which is what you want to happen. So yeah. Anyway, you still hear Maximum Sharpie? I don't know if you are. But that's a tutorial for that one. I might have time for one more tutorial maybe to do. Tutorial number event transfer 2. Yeah, so some of these tutorials can be L4D2 at the same time. What is that? I might probably know what you're talking about, but I don't. I really don't do abbreviations too well, so sorry. Might be a new game. Okay, so I'm going to do that one. Start tutorial. Say, during a tutorial, if you execute a command other than... Yeah, okay, whatever. Do you have the project we finished for step 3? Yes. Loading the step 3 project. I already have it loaded, but whatever. I'll just do it. Jeez. Project loaded. Okay. We'll start the next tutorial. Right? If in this step we will learn how to make an event move using the event command set movement routes. First, we'll create a new character event. Locate the coordinates 1729 in the middle of the long road is... Okay. 17... Okay, there. In the middle of the road that stretches to the left and the right side of the long road that stretches to the left and right side. Okay. Find and double click it. Open the window. Event window. Alright, double click the image. Oh, we're actually going to do villagers. Click the right facing woman in the second bottom left of the row. Double click and set the image. Okay. Moving lady. Oh, Left 4 Dead 2. Yeah, I played that before. I think I had like a... I played it with one of my friends. Okay, we're gonna move on up. Yeah, I played that played that before. Where all those zombies come and attack you, and you have to frickin' you have to figure out how to get the hell out of there. Alright, we're gonna see first. She'll talk about where she's going to move. Push show text. I'm moving 4 steps to the right now. What? I'm moving. I'm moving 4 steps to the right now. To the right now. Okay, whatever. I'm. Hey there. Hey there. Handsome. Hey there, handsome. I am going. I'm going to move over here right now. Move 4 steps to the right. To the right. Follow me. Okay. Up until now has just been a review. Now we're going to set movement route. Double click the blank line. Switch to page 2. Select movement route. Please change to this event. Click check off skip cannot move. I think it says you should still say check the box. Skip if cannot move, and that because that will make it that makes it a little bit more confusing to say that. So yeah, remove the check. Wait for completion. Okay, that's fine. All right, set the movement route as follows: move right, move right, move right, and move right. All right, next. Make sure that there are 4 instances of move right on the list, which I did. Alright, check Okay, check the movement route. Click OK. Now the event property. Let's change the player's initial position to make playtesting easier. After clicking a few squares away from the event, after clicking a few squares away from the event, quick right click. Position player. Well, that's where he's going to be. Save the product. Now conduct a playtest toss and check the movement. It's a great party game. You can just pick up and yeah, that's the same with me. Like, I went over to his house, and I would play like any types of games, and he'd be like, let's play this. Okay, pick it up. Boom. There we go. Start shooting zombies. I'd be like, that's fine with me. Whatever. Okay. So anyway, here I am. Hey there, handsome. I'm going to move 4 steps to the right. Follow me. 2, 3, 4. Okay, here we go. And then she's going to keep on doing it because, well, she's going to keep on doing it. Well, there's a way to actually keep her from actually doing that. And I know which way, I know what we can do with it. What you can, but probably won't get involved in it, but basically what you would do is you would hit like you would basically tell the event to switch to something else, and then I mean you could just do a event switch and switch it, and it'll turn to something else and be like, okay, handsome, now let's see what you got, or something like that. I don't know. But anyway. Geez, this music is gonna get me. I'm sorry, this music is... Okay, once you're done, there's some more explanation. Okay, if the player talks to her from their right, her movement will be stopped. This effect is, if the player talks to her from their right or the plaque is blocked, her movement will be stopped. This is the effect of skip if cannot move. Would you playtest again and check that this is working? Yes. Now conduct a playtest. Okay. So let's go here. I'll actually block her way. Right, so it's her. So, if you keep on doing that too, she also won't go anywhere. If like she runs into the trees or something like that. Yeah, I mean I totally get that. All right, so I don't know if that had something else to say or not, because it sort of skipped it. So, but whatever. This music is dull. I'm sorry, that music is really dull. Once you're done, there's some more explanation. Okay. If the player talks to her from their right, the path is blocked, her movement will be stopped. This is the effect of it cannot move. Yes. Alright, oh, I'm sorry. Next, we'll make 2 more events move simultaneously. They don't explain. They don't explain how, like, if she can't move or anything, then maybe there's a switch that says that she only moves once. Oh boy. Well, that's something that they should actually explain. I think they probably will, but they don't do it right now. But okay, next we'll make 2 events move simultaneously. We'll create an event of a minion walking side by side with the woman. Double click the coordinates 1728 above the moving lady. Moving dude. Moving dude. Okay. Double click the image. People 1. Choose a man facing right on the left in the bottom row. The image. The page 1. Show text. Okay, I'm also moving 4 steps to the right because this is my wife. Okay, the text. Okay. So now we'll make it so that the minion moves with the lady when you talk to her. Double click the moving lady. We'll add an event to make the minion move the same way as the lady after her event. It'll look like they're walking together. But it's a pain to do this setup all over again. Here we will take advantage of copying and pasting. Click the movement route so that it's selected. Okay. Click set movement route. Set movement route. Okay, wait, hold on. Alright, sorry. What? Alright, click select movement route so it's selected. Okay, click set movements route so it's selected. So then what are you supposed to do after that? It doesn't tell you. Yeah, that doesn't tell you anything. Did I mess up or something? What are you trying to do here? Change this event to moving dude. What? Okay, I think you got me, I think you have got me officially, lost here. So let's stop the tutorial. And let's start this again. Okay, switches and conditional branching, part 2. Alright, that'll be what they want you to do with that. Database basics, database basics. Healing and saving, symbol encounters, enemy boss. Settings, creating and ending. Editing the title screen. Alright, well. They really do not go about like making actual maps themselves. They talk about maps, but they don't really you don't really go into actually making the maps. Which really is what you really want to start doing. Anyway, we'll we'll start this tutorial again. Next. Yeah, we did that. I don't want to load that because if I load it, then I have to start over again. Almost. Yeah, okay. Alright, we're in step on to make event. Okay. 729. Camera cuts image. Okay. Okay. Next. Content. Okay. Cancel. Set movement route. Double click the lang line. Oh, okay. Set movement route. Change it to this event. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. Okay, playtest. Okay. Okay. Create an event of me and walking side by side with a woman. This is what we were doing. Double click. Okay. Which we did. Okay, next to moving dude. Double click the image. People 1. Check me and facing the bottom row. Click OK to select image. Double click the line, blank line and contents. So page 1, show text. Type in, I'm going to move with that lady. Okay, OK to set the event. Now we'll make it so the man moves with the lady when you talk to her. Double click the moving lady. Okay, if we add an event to make the man move in the same way as the lady after her event, it'll look like they're walking together. Alright. But it's a pain to do this setup all over again. Here we take advantage of copying and pasting. Click set movement route so it's selected. Okay. Yes. Copy. Okay. Okay, that's something that they have to do on their end, because if you select that and you actually select that, so you copy that. Okay. Change this event to moving dude. This event to moving dude. Okay. So I don't think we did that right. Nah. I really don't think we did that right. It's not going to work. I can tell you that's not going to work. Yep, I told you that was not going to work. They didn't explain it properly at all, and they basically. Although this time we removed the check from wait for completion, and you want one to move after another, check it off. However, sometimes when you use wait for completion after the path is blocked by an obstacle, you may no longer be able to progress in the game, so be careful. That's it for this explanation. Well done. Yeah, well, they didn't explain that too well. And I think the reason why is because set movement route. Moving dude. And I think that has to be the same. Oh, hold on. Let's delete this. Delete this. Alright. So, this event skip what? Skip if cannot move. Okay, that's why it says that. Okay. We need to actually set the movement route for the moving dude. Alright. So he's gonna actually so he's going to move right. Okay. Alright. And, okay, let's try this now. Alright. That's something they probably did not foresee that happening. There you go. See, that is what they warned you to do. But they didn't explain it too clearly, did they? No, they didn't explain that pretty much at all. That wasn't really a great tutorial because, well, I mean, cause I mean, hey, look, you know, I had to actually go in there, edit that, and say, okay, well, set movement route. This the movement route is like skippable, can't be skipped. And hold on, edit. Let me see. Skip if cannot move. And we're not waiting for completion of that one, because if we wait for completion of that one, then hold on, I've got a text message from my friend here. Explain it to you when Anyway, sorry about that. So yeah, I'm gonna pretty much be done with this, I think, for now. This tutorial for now, anyway. Yep, sorry. So you get to hit that also if you hit apply, because if you do different things, like if you save it, play test it, your game, F4. I'm moving 4 steps to the right because this is my wife. Hey there, handsome. I'm going to move 4 steps to the right. Follow me. Okay, so they probably won't move if... Okay, so they walked into the wall and we're all happy because they all walked to the wall. Anyway, sorry about that. Okay, I gotta go and I gotta go and eat something because gotta eat something, then get ready to go into gotta go play some other game. So Fortnite. So that being that, and I'm doing some other stuff, so I'm gonna say this once more and I will exit out of here. Well, thank you for joining me, guys. It's been a pleasure. Ami024 trying to entertain you guys as much as I can. I also do RPGs and stuff. I'm still doing Final Fantasy 2. But, you know, I'm trying to get into RPG Maker and doing... Well, I have already been a part of RPG Maker. I own RPG Maker MB. As you all know. I have had a project there that sort of like abandoned, I guess. I don't know why, but I abandoned it, so things got tough, I guess. I just didn't feel like messing with it anymore. And then I did again, and then so here I am. But yeah. But anyway, this is me signing off. I shall see you all maybe tomorrow. I don't know, maybe or maybe not. Not really sure. But gotta get this business, this personal business taken care of. And I don't really want to get into it, but it's been a pain in the backside for me, so. But anyway, I shall see you all later. I record this, so I'm gonna actually send this off the RPG Maker forums to see maybe if they can improve their tutorials a bit, learn how some of their stuff actually didn't really help him much. Some of it did, some of it didn't. So they didn't really explain things too much, I think, and I think they should have at least explained a little bit more, especially about, like, okay, you can make towns and you can make events and everything, and maybe like the events themselves are harder for people to understand, but